All right, so this video, you're going to want to save it, bookmark it, write this stuff down, especially if you are a homeowner, because using these terms can either help you improve the value of your house or not. So we use these interchangeably in our industry. So I'm here to educate you and help you remember these terms. My name is Rachel Mooney and I sell real estate here around North Metro Atlanta, focusing primarily on Forsyth County. So what are these terms that we talk about? First one is home maintenance. Home maintenance, the easiest way to remember this is maintaining the value of your home. What are you doing to maintain the value of your property? You cannot purchase a home and sit in it for 5, 10, 15 years and not do maintenance and expect the value to be there when you decide to sell it. As a matter of fact, not doing home maintenance will actually decrease the value of your property. So what are some examples of home maintenance? A very good prime example would be, let's say you have carpet in your house and over the years that carpet has become worn and tethered. If you replace that carpet, you are maintaining the value of your property. Let's say you have old gutters on the property and they're leaking and falling off. If you put new gutters on, you are maintaining the value of your home. A really good one that we hear all the time is I replaced the deck. That is maintaining the value of the home. It doesn't necessarily add value at all. So if you paid $15,000 for a deck replacement, it did not increase your value by $15,000. It maintained the value of your property. Okay, the next one I want to talk about is home updates. What are home updates? Home updates bring the home into today's current market. What can you do to bring your home up into today's standards? So a good example is, let's say y'all all know I live in a 1986 house. If my home stayed the same exact way it was in 1986 in today's market, then I would not have increased the value. But if I went in and made home updates, then I increased the value. So small updates that you could do that help make your home stand out would be changing out light fixtures, changing out sinks. Mirrors are a really great example of changing things out. You're updating the house into today's standard. You're not keeping it 1980s. You're actually updating it. And so how does that affect you? Well, if you're competing against other homes in your neighborhood or area, homes that are updated are going to bring a higher value and will sell quicker because buyers are looking for homes that are updated. They do not want to have to go into the house and paint and make changes. They want those homes already updated in today's market. All right, that one gets confused with home upgrades. So what is a home upgrade? Think of this, you're upgrading your current house. So let's say you have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house and you add a bedroom and you make it to a 4-bedroom. You just upgraded the value of your home. Let's say that you added a finished basement. You upgraded the value of your property. These things will increase the value of your home. Other great examples would be outdoor living spaces, custom cabinets, going through and making it a smart home. You are upgrading the value of your property. So when a realtor comes in and says, what updates have you made and what upgrades have you made? That's when you're going to talk about the things that you did to make the house better, not maintenance. And not the updates, but what did you do to increase the value of your property? Those are upgrades. Now, the last one that we use, this is just a blanket term, home improvements, as that's what it is. Home improvements are just a blanket term of everything inclusive that you have done on the house. So we want to know as a realtor, what improvements have you made? Have you done home maintenance? Have you done home upgrades? Have you done home updates in your property? Because all of that makes a difference on what is the actual value of your home. So I hope that this information is helpful. I see this a lot where I'll go into a listing appointment and the seller will say, well, I added a new roof, or I added a deck, or I replaced the siding on the house. Oh, a really good one, guys. If you have vinyl siding and you replaced it to hardy plank siding, is that a home maintenance or an upgrade? is an upgrade, right? You upgraded the house. Now you maintained the house, but I would say that a hardy plank siding is a better product than vinyl siding, so you upgraded the property. Now let's say you went in and added a roof and you paid $20,000 for that roof. That is a maintenance item. So you did not increase the value of the property by $20,000, you maintained the property. Let's say again that you added a deck. Well, adding the deck is a maintenance item. Now let's say it never had a deck. Let's say it, which would be a hazard, but you walked out and there was nothing there. Adding a deck would be an upgrade to the property if it never had a deck. But replacing a deck is just maintaining the property. So I hope that this information is helpful. If you have questions or thinking about selling in 2026, reach out to myself or my team. We will help walk you through these things. We will ask these questions: what updates, improvements, and upgrades have you made? And we will teach you what values that has added to your property, if any, or did you not do anything and that decreased your value? Hope you found this information helpful.